Imagine being able to create viral content without ever showing your face, automating all the tedious tasks, and racking up millions of views along the way. Sound like a dream? Well, it's the reality of 2024. In this video, I'll reveal one of the hottest niches exploding on TikTok and YouTube right now. And it's more than just a trend. It's a genuine goldmine. Want proof? Take this YouTube channel, which has amassed a staggering 14 million views with only 8 videos. I'll show you exactly how you, too, can replicate this kind of success. And to make it even easier, I've created a sample video using a secret AI tool to show you how this process works. Ready to ride the wave, tap into this trend, and change your life? Then let's dive in and unlock the secrets.
Ever heard of the girl who changed history with rocks? Prepare to uncover a hidden legacy as we delve into the life of Mary Anning.
Hey, friends, growing on TikTok can be tough, right? When followers are low or there's no time for content, it can feel discouraging. But what if there was an easier way? I have ready-made, monetized accounts already in the TikTok rewards program, meaning you get paid for views from day one. No waiting. If this sounds interesting, just fill out a quick form, and as a thank you, I'll add a discount and a little bonus to help you kick off with ease. Click the link in the description. Let me know what you think, and let's move forward together. Video ideas. This incredible tool helps us generate a plethora of daily content ideas in the blink of an eye. To kick things off, I'll ask it for 10 video concepts within the history niche. As you can see, the AI is quickly producing a comprehensive list of ideas, and in mere seconds, we have 10 distinct topics to explore over the next 10 days. The options are abundant, and I'm particularly drawn to the idea of forgotten figures who changed history. Let's just copy that to our clipboard and seamlessly transition to the next step. Next, we're going to utilize an AI automation tool known as AI Cut to streamline our video creation process. On their website, you'll notice they provide various content styles, but for this video, I'm going to concentrate on one specific option. You can find the link to this tool in the description below. Once you land on the site, click the Create button. There are numerous content types this AI can generate, but today we'll focus on the AI Image Stories feature. Go ahead and select that option. On the next page, we'll need to input a few details to create our video. First, we need a script. You can either paste your own script into the text box or let the tool generate a viral script for you with just a few clicks. Simply hit Generate Script, and on the following page, choose a prompt from the drop-down menu. I'll select history for this video, but there are countless options available, so you'll never run out of inspiration. After choosing our prompt, paste in the video idea we obtained from ChatGPT and adjust the desired video duration. We want it to exceed 1 minute, avoiding the short format, so I'll opt for the longer option. Once that's all set, ensure the language is set to English and click Generate Script. It will take a moment, but voila! The tool has created a comprehensive script for us to work with. Feel free to tweak it to your liking. Another cool feature is that you can change the language if needed. For this example, I'll keep the video in English, but you could easily switch to Spanish or another language here. With the script ready, let's move over to the Video tab. The first thing we need to do is adjust the video ratio to 16:9. This ensures our video is perfectly formatted for YouTube. Trust me, these animations look absolutely stunning. Now, scrolling down, we can customize the style of our video. There are 6 unique styles to choose from, but I'm going with the cinematic style for this project. Be sure to enable the sound effects option to make our video even more captivating. Next, we can personalize the captions. There's a wide array of styles available, but in my opinion, the tilted captions and glow captions are the most visually appealing, so pick whichever suits your taste. Moving on to the voiceover, you can listen to different voice options by clicking the play button next to each. The tool lets you choose between AI voices and those from 11 Labs. I'm a big fan of the 11 Labs voices, so I'll go with one of those. You can also adjust the speed of the voice, but I'll leave it at the default for now. I'll try out a few voices, and once I find one that resonates with me, we can proceed to the final step. The last thing we need to do is add some background music. AI Cut has a variety of built-in tracks that you can preview just like the voice options. Once you find a track that fits the vibe, select it, and you're all set. Now, all that's left to do is hit the Create Video button. It may take a few minutes to generate. We now have our finished video, along with all the settings we used in the AI tool. You can also edit the video if you don't like something, such as changing the photo to another one or sharing it on social media. If you're satisfied with how the video turned out, simply scroll down and click download. Here's the finished result.
Ever heard of the girl who changed history with rocks? Prepare to uncover a hidden legacy as we delve into the life of Mary Anning. Born in 1799 in a small coastal town in England, Mary, though just a child, stumbled upon something extraordinary in the cliffs of Lyme Regis.
If you're eager to learn how to promote yourself on TikTok and YouTube, uncover some secret tricks, and get all the insider tips, then make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what you want to see next. Your feedback means a lot to me. The next video is going to be a big one, packed with details on everything you need to know about growing your presence on these platforms. So stay tuned, and I can't wait to share it all with you.